How do you want to be remembered?
As not only as an entertainer, but as a person who cared a lot, and I gave the best that I could, and I tried to be the best role model that I possibly could, and the best person that I could. I tried to help out.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's styled by Jazzbelle. Follow me on Instagram, and it's the same as my YouTube channel, styled by Jazzbelle. And like the link below if you like this video. And basically, as you can see, I'm really Latinified right now. And of course, I was inspired to do this makeup look by the beautiful Selena. This is the makeup look that I was inspired by. Usually she does go for a classic eye look like this with a bold red lip. We're going in with Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade and Chocolate. And we're just going to be carving our eyebrows a little bit thicker. You know, I do have thick eyebrows, so I could not do my eyebrows like Selena. Selena's eyebrows were very thin. So we're going in with some LA Pro Concealer in Creamy Beige. And we're just rounding our eyebrows as much as we can. After that, you're going to wipe off the concealer. And then we're going to move on to the next step. So I'm putting some Maybelline Fit Me Dewy foundation on, and we're blending all that in. Now we're going in with the 10 Concealer palette from BhCosmetics, and we're starting off to carving the brows and putting concealer as a primer to start off for your. We're going in with the Nudes Palette from Maybelline, and we're starting off with the light cream eyeshadow, and then we're going to be going in with the brown, light brown eyeshadow, and we're starting off in the crease first. It's a very natural look, and we're going to do the same thing on the other side of the eyes as well. And then after that, we're going to go in with Urbandecay's Naked 3 palette, and we're going to just use Nooner to blend all the eyeshadows in together. We're going in and we're using NYC's liquid eyeliner. We're going to do our wing. Now we're going back in the 10 Concealer palette from BhCosmetics, and I'm going for a very long, wide nose, and we're going to put the concealers on the highlighted areas, and we're going to try to emphasize everything. This concealer is very thick, and the contour stick we're using from Wet n Wild, and we're just carving out the nose, and we're making the forehead smaller, and we're blending all that in. This concealer is very thick, so take your time when you are blending that in because it can make a mess. So take your time, blend, blend, blend. And then we're going to set all this with our air spun loose powder. So now we're going in with NYX Deep Red Lip Liner. And we're going to carve our lips a little bit bigger than usual because Selena had a beautiful full lip. And she always used to wear a bold red lip. So once we're done with that, we're going to go in with Milani's Fixation liquid lipstick, and that is our completed look. Thank you so much for watching, and like, comment, and subscribe.